Have you ever wondered how great it would be if artificial intelligence could create art? No more wondering. The union of art and artificial intelligence has led to the creation of AI art generators. Do you want to know some of the best free AI art generators? Then this video is for you. Welcome to Debt Busters and welcome to another YouTube video. With so many AI art generators available, it can take time to know where to begin. So in today's video, we've compiled a list of the top 7 free AI art generators that will inspire and captivate you in 2023. So buckle up and get ready to be amazed by the fantastic works of art made by AI machines. It's important to note that the software we'll be discussing is freemium, meaning that there is a free tier of service. However, you'll need to pay for higher tiers of service to get more features. You might notice the topics of the videos are coming from conversations I have with viewers in the comments section or from polls in the community post. So be sure to comment on the video and participate in the polls to tell me what kind of content you'd like to see. Subscribe and turn on the post notification. The 7 AI art generators we will mention today can copy the style of well-known artists, make entirely new kinds of art, and even work with human artists to make truly unique pieces. The combination of art, technology, and accessibility has created a fascinating and dynamic field that is changing how we think about art and creativity in the digital age. That said, the first AI generator on our list is number 1, Magespace. Magespace AI art generator is a fantastic tool that allows users to create incredible works of art by using artificial intelligence algorithms. This cutting-edge technology is based on the concept of neural networks, which are intended to mimic how the human brain functions. Users can upload their images or choose from various pre-existing styles, such as landscape, portrait, or abstract. Based on the underlying patterns and structures, the algorithm then analyzes the image to create a new and unique piece of art. Magespace AI art generator can produce visually stunning and emotionally engaging artwork. Depending on the desired outcome, the algorithm can detect and incorporate elements that elicit moods such as joy, sadness, or excitement. This enables users to create visually appealing, deeply meaningful, and expressive artworks. Do you require an AI generator that is simple to use? Look no further, because Magespace has an intuitive and user-friendly interface that makes it accessible to artists and enthusiasts of all levels. Users can also fine-tune various settings to create a final product uniquely tailored to their preferences, thanks to a wide range of customization options. In its free mode, you can experiment and design to your heart's content without financial obligations or constraints. If you want to unveil your inner artist and create something truly one-of-a-kind, the Magespace AI art generator is the tool for you. With its sophisticated neural networks, stunning visual output, and easy-to-use interface, this technology gives artists endless ways to express themselves. Number 2, Artbreeder. Are you searching for a new and exciting way to express yourself artistically? Look no further than Artbreeder AI art generator. This cutting-edge technology provides an easy-to-use platform for creating stunning works of art that are unique and original. Users can create a starting point for their artwork by uploading their images or selecting from a library of pre-existing ones. They can then manipulate various parameters such as hue, saturation, and contrast to create a unique piece of art. Artbreeder also includes advanced features like collaborating with other users, sharing artwork on social media, and printing artwork on various materials. Additionally, the technology's advanced neural networks can learn from the user's input to generate new and unique artwork that reflects the user's artistic vision. Artbreeder AI art generator has something for everyone. Users can experiment with various visual elements in the free version to create unique and original works of art. The premium version includes even more advanced features, such as the ability to collaborate with other users, access to a larger library of pre-existing images, and print artwork on various materials. Artbreeder AI art generator is a must-try tool for anyone looking to explore new creative avenues and create stunning works of art that are truly their own, thanks to its powerful neural networks and customizable options. So why not tap into your artistic potential and begin creating something truly extraordinary right now? As a result, we can conclude that the Artbreeder AI art generator is an ideal tool for artists and art enthusiasts looking to push traditional art forms and explore new creative avenues. The next AI tool we have on the list is number 3, DreamAI. DreamAI, also known as Wombo Art Generator, is a cutting-edge technology that transforms photos and images into whimsical, dreamlike works of art. This powerful tool relies on artificial intelligence to analyze the input image and apply various visual effects to create unique and original artwork. DreamAI's ability to produce stunning and unexpected results distinguishes it. Users can select from various styles, such as Impressionism or Surrealism, and then tweak various parameters such as color saturation and brush size to create a unique work of art. DreamAI's ability to generate art in real time is one of its most exciting features. This means that users can watch in real time as their input image is transformed into a beautiful work of art. Additionally, DreamAI allows users to share their artwork on social media, allowing them to showcase their creations to a larger audience. DreamAI offers many exciting possibilities for artists and enthusiasts alike. The tool's free version is an excellent introduction to its capabilities, allowing users to experiment with different styles and parameters to create stunning works of art. The premium version includes additional styles and the ability to save and export artwork in various formats for those seeking even more advanced features and higher resolution output. Before we get too far into it, I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you know someone who's interested in growing their channel and dominating YouTube, and have them subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Just imagine if you had $10,000 more in your bank account every month. Use my link in the description if you'd like to try an absolutely free YouTube course that can grow your channel from $0 to $10,000 in profit on YouTube without showing your face, using your own voice, or making videos at all. The next AI tool we have on the list is number 4, Stable Diffusion. Stable Diffusion AI Art Generator is a remarkable tool that uses advanced artificial intelligence algorithms to create stunning works of art. It is based on the concept of diffusion processes, which describe how particles or molecules spread out over time. Isn't that fantastic? This means that the Stable Diffusion AI Art Generator can analyze an extensive database of images to generate new and unique works of art based on those images' underlying structures and patterns. As a result, it is a powerful and exciting tool for artists, designers, and enthusiasts who want to explore new creative avenues and experiment with different styles and techniques. Are you looking for an AI art generator capable of producing visually appealing and emotionally engaging art? Stable Diffusion is the way to go here. Depending on the desired outcome, the algorithm in Stable Diffusion AI can detect and incorporate elements that evoke different moods such as warmth, tranquility, or excitement. This enables users to create visually appealing, deeply meaningful, and evocative artworks. Another noteworthy aspect of the Stable Diffusion AI Art Generator is its adaptability and customization options. Users can upload their images or choose from various pre-existing styles like landscape, portrait, or abstract. After processing the image, users can fine-tune the output and create a final product uniquely tailored to their preferences. So, if you're looking for a powerful and exciting way to explore your creativity, the Stable Diffusion AI Art Generator is the way to go. With its advanced artificial intelligence algorithms, stunning visual output, and flexible customization options, this technology provides limitless possibilities for artists, designers, and enthusiasts. And best of all, with its free mode, you can experiment and create to your heart's content with no financial obligations or constraints. So why delay? Begin your journey into the world of AI-generated art today, the Stable Diffusion AI Art Generator. The next AI tool on the list is number 5, Playground AI. Playground AI Art Generator is a novel tool that combines the utmost power of artificial intelligence with the imagination of humans. This technology enables users to experiment with various artistic styles, ranging from realistic portraits to abstract landscapes, to create stunning works of art that are truly unique. It can learn from the user's input and adjust its output accordingly. Users can provide input in the form of photos, sketches, or even words, and the algorithm will analyze the data to produce an output that reflects the user's artistic vision. The Playground AI Art Generator employs advanced neural networks to detect and incorporate various artistic elements into the final output, such as color, texture, and composition. This results in a visually stunning and emotionally engaging work of art. The Playground AI Art Generator has an easy-to-use interface that allows users to experiment and create easily. The technology allows for various customization options, such as adjusting the color scheme, brush style, and level of abstraction, to produce a final product uniquely tailored to the user's preferences. Finally, Playground AI has a free mode that allows you to experiment and create art without any financial commitment. The premium version offers more advanced features and higher quality output for those looking to move their artwork to another level. You will agree that the possibilities for artistic expression are limitless with the Playground AI Art Generator. It is a must-have tool for anyone looking to unleash their creativity and create something unique. The next AI tool we have on the list is number 6, Canvas. Canvas AI Art Generator is an exciting and innovative tool that allows users to create stunning works of art using artificial intelligence algorithms. Users can upload their images or choose from various pre-existing styles, such as landscape, portrait, or abstract, to create a unique work of art. Canvas AI Art Generator is distinguished by its ability to analyze an input image and create visually appealing and emotionally engaging works of art. The algorithm can detect and incorporate image elements such as color, texture, and composition into the final output, resulting in a beautiful and expressive work of art. While Canvas has flexibility and customization options, Users can change the level of abstraction, color scheme, and brush style to create a final product uniquely tailored to their preferences. Another feature of Canvas that may fascinate you is its accessibility. The interface is user-friendly and simple to use, making it suitable for artists and enthusiasts of all skill levels. And with a range of output options, users can print their artwork on various materials such as canvas, paper, or metal to create a stunning and personalized addition to their home or office. It provides users with a free mode and a premium version to create stunning works of art. The free mode is an excellent way to experiment and create art without making any financial commitments. The premium version offers more advanced features and higher quality output for those looking to take their artwork to the next level. With Canvas, you can unleash your creativity and experiment with stunning works of art, all without any financial commitment. So why not try it and see where your imagination can take you? The opportunities are truly endless. The next AI tool we have on the list is number 7, Night Cafe. Night Cafe AI art generator is an intriguing tool that uses artificial intelligence algorithms to generate unique and creative artwork. The name is a play on Vincent van Gogh's famous painting, The Night Cafe, which depicts a bustling cafe filled with bright colors and vibrant characters. This AI art generator analyzes an extensive database of art pieces and generates new original artwork based on the style and characteristics of those pieces using a deep learning algorithm. It works by analyzing various aspects of the input image, such as color, texture, and composition, and then using that information to generate new, one-of-a-kind pieces. One of Night Cafe's most impressive features is its ability to create visually appealing and emotionally evocative art. Depending on the desired outcome, the algorithm can detect and incorporate elements that evoke different moods, such as warmth, coziness, or melancholy. It's exciting to see that users can upload their images or choose from various pre-existing styles like Impressionism, abstract, or surrealism. After the image has been processed, users can adjust the intensity of multiple features, such as brightness or saturation, to create a final product perfectly tailored to their preferences. Night Cafe AI art generator is a powerful and exciting tool for artists, designers, and enthusiasts alike, providing a new and innovative way to create stunning, one-of-a-kind works of art. The Night Cafe AI art generator is worth checking out. It is ideal for art enthusiasts looking for a one-of-a-kind and innovative way to create visually striking and emotionally engaging works of art. The technology is especially well-suited for fans of Vincent van Gogh and other Impressionist artists, as it is inspired by their bold use of color and dynamic brushstrokes. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Which of the AI software mentioned was your favorite and why? Comment down below, let's engage. Are you ready to take your YouTube earnings to the next level? If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about how to make money with YouTube cash cow channels, then you don't want to miss this exclusive offer. Our friend Matt Parr has put together a 100% free course that teaches you the secret growth tactics for making up to $30,000 each month online. And for a limited time, he's offering an exclusive upsell to his course. With this course, you'll get access to even more advanced strategies and techniques for maximizing your YouTube earnings. You'll learn how to create and monetize multiple cash cow channels, how to optimize your videos for maximum views and revenue, and much more. Don't miss this opportunity to take your YouTube success to the next level. Click the link below to learn more and sign up for the upsell now. You'll be glad you did. Now you know the top 7 free AI art generator 2023. That, however, won't help you if you're interested in knowing about which generative AI is best between ChatGPT and Chat+. Watch the video on your screen if you really want to know which generative AI is best between ChatGPT and Chat+. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.